Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Defender thread service has stopped fixing Windows 11. So how can fix this step of our? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type um, registry editor. Open registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, first of all select a HK local machine and expand it. After that select a software and expand it. After that select a policies and expand it. Select Microsoft and expand it. After that select a Windows Defender. After that right click on new and set a default 32-bit value and set a name is disable anti-spyware. After set this name, open it and set a value data is 0. Click on OK button and close it. Close the registry editor, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.